Okay, peace fam. This is peace fam. This is Mr. Royce, and this is the Bread Talk. Again, this is basically just a financial discussion. We're talking about stocks that we're definitely trading. This video is generally sent out to different members that want to, hear the information. So we're just going to go quickly into some of the stocks that we're trading. Again, brief my history. I do have a bachelor's from Texas Tech University. I've been involved in stocks for about a year, and it's just a life-changing event. Dealing with stocks has definitely changed my life, and the reason why I, go live or share any information is because I want to help as many people as I can, just as a ministry. Again, it's definitely a ministry and nothing that I do to make money. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a financial analyzer. I'm an actual stock trader. So I'm just talking what I do know, and I try to talk from my own experience, and I'm not giving advice or telling anybody else what to do. So I've been trading stocks for a little over a year now. One of my favorite stocks, hand down, is UONE. There's been a lot of excitement over UONE as UONE went up from the usual $5 price point to about $20 1 week ago. And then last week it basically plummeted to now it went from about $20 to now it's about $9. So this video is a short discussion for the Bread Talk fam. A lot of us are involved with the stock. A lot of us have seen profit with the stock. So I'm going to talk about what profit I've seen, the past of the stock, the present of the stock, and the future of the stock. And I also discuss where you might be as an investor with the stock and different strategies that you might use, whatever position you are in the stock. So again, it's a lot of great stocks out there. I'll try to get a full list to anybody who wants of the different stocks that we trade. Just let me know. Again, we do also send out texts. We can get you involved with that. Right now, we have an actual monthly membership, and it's only $10. So we just put it on sale June 19th. And all that really does is let me know that you're interested in the information. I don't want to be sending out information to people that's not even interested. So shortly, just off the top of my mind, I know we hold Ford. It's a great stock that we've been holding for over a year. Bought it around $5. It's around 15 now. CX is a cement company that we hold. Nice, slow price movement. Decent little dividend. We hold THCX, which is a ETF for cannabis stocks. Very slow movement, decent little hold, as well as some others. But our main stock, we've seen a lot of success actually this month with UONE. We bought UONE at about $5, and we end up purchasing thousands of shares. My experience with UONE is at first, when I first started trading March of 2020, UONE was around $1. And I just like the company. I like urban radio stations. I have been involved working with one, so sound like something that I do want to own. And I was surprised to see the company did rise to about $50 in the middle of the trading day, and I think it ended at 36, June 19th, 2020. So we did see an increase during the month of June in the stock, and we did predict that that would happen again in 2021, and it did happen again. It did not increase as much as last year, but it looks like the height of the increase was about $20. So if we were to play that stock again, if we could have a reset button on the stock, we probably should have sold last Monday. I ended up selling on Thursday. I think my price point was about $13 to $15 when I sold, and I did purchase around $5. So we did see some profit in the stock. Then we also have some members of the Bread Talk fam try to purchase in there right around Monday, expecting that it would raise later on in the week. So we do see a loss right now in the stock. If that was my position, if I did hold UONE and did have it overpriced, I probably would continue to hold and purchase the stock at the lower price. All I can really deal with is the past as far as any type of indication of what the stock is going to do. Last year, the stock went to 36 and it went right back down over the course of about a month to a price point of about $5. It did go down to about $3 and then it rose up to about $5. So with that, my prediction this year is that it will do something similar to that. I did sell a majority of my holdings on Thursday, and the price has continued to fall on the stock. At this point, I'm waiting for the price point to fall around $5 or less. At that point, I will purchase again probably thousands of shares of Urban One. It's a company that I do believe in, and I also do like that they have potential for growth and potential for a casino to open up very soon. The news on the stock was that Kathy Hughes and her son, who are owners, majority owners of the company, did sell a lot of stock right around Thursday, which is the day I predicted to sell. So I think we was kind of on point with that. Again, there's a couple lessons that we learned. One, if you do have a profit in the stock, it is okay to sell at a profit, because you could always take the cash and purchase the stock later, purchase more shares of the stock with the cash that you earn. But Urban One, I think sometimes we did get some of the fam get caught up in a little bit of comparison, try to compare the stock to maybe a GameStop or AMC or JCPenney or a deal. And that's one thing, one lesson I've learned over my year of trading stocks is that each stock really is different. You have to kind of look at each stock for what it is. And the only indicator with Urban One is that it's very steady. It's been very steady through the year. So you're not looking for huge profits during the year, but during the month of June for the past 2 years, it's increased to where basically it's 3 to 4 times more than the average price. So this is a great increase. My thoughts on that is that, Usain Bolt was an Olympic champion, and he trained for 6 years to run for one time under 10 seconds. So I don't feel like he has any regrets about that. He has the gold medal, and stocks are kind of like that sometimes. I'd kind of rather deal with one stock that I know exactly when it's going to go up than deal with a ton of stocks that I have no clue. So Urban One, I still have over 100 shares of Urban One. I'll probably always have over 100. The only reason I don't have close to 1,000 is because, again, we cashed out during June, which is the increase. So if you purchased high, what I would do is wait for the bottom and continue to purchase as many stock shares as you can. And with the price action going up in June the past 2 years, I'm willing to predict that the price action will go up in June next year again. So I know that's probably a long time, maybe longer than a lot of people would like to wait, but we do have to look at the psychology of investing, and that's something I deal with a lot, that, we cannot look at our investment as an actual stock price that we're looking to go up. When you do buy a share of a company, you're buying a piece of a business. You can outright buy the whole company if you bought the majority of the shares. So you're increasing your holding. If you have 50 shares, you're looking to increase your holding and get more shares as the stock price goes down. Urban One's price action is that it's very steady, and it's a low price stock. It's usually from about $1 to $6 anytime during the year. So you just look at it now, and you're looking to purchase at the lowest point. Very good, steady stock, and Red Top Fam will probably consistently continue to deal with this stock. But again, the actual profit, I think last Monday was probably the highest that it will go. Now, now that the stock is plummeting, when it does find the bottom, I do predict that it usually does have a price jump from $1 a few right from the bottom. So if it gets to bottom out around $3.50 or $4, it will probably jump back up to $7 within the week. So again, if you did purchase, let's say, 1,000 shares at $4, that's $4,000. Later that day, you could probably sell, or it's not that day, but later that week, you could probably sell around $7, because usually when stocks plummet, they hit the ground and they have a good little bounce, a quick bounce. So I would watch for that. I usually describe that kind of a V. But my name is Mr. Royce, and this is in the Bread Talk for tonight. And we talked about Urban One, which is UONE on the New York Stock Exchange. I hope that you see success with the stock. Again, I will be purchasing hundreds to thousands of shares of the stock. Right now, I'm looking for the bottom. The price is $9. I own about 100 shares at $5. So if it gets to $5 or below, I'm going to go in. I'm just going to purchase as many as I can. And I expect that the price will raise up probably in November, as they're going to vote over the casino in November, and again in June, as it has over the past 2 years. So my name is Mr. Royce. I thank you so much for spending time with me. If you want any more information or discuss any more stocks, feel free to contact me. Please like, subscribe to the videos, and we'll see you on the beaches of the world.